wanted to communicate. Just introduce myself first, then I will start the advantages of talking in English. Actually, this is Naresh Naidu, and I am one of Impactian. So many members also know that. To coming to our topic, the English is very useful to our daily life to communicate with in office and outside the office and career growth, and to express our feeling with others like uh, uh, in office premises or in the social networking sites. See, why I'm telling the social networking sites is most of the people nowadays are communicating their feelings in the social network only. So they're sharing their thoughts in the social networking. So if we improve our communication in English language, so that we can communicate with other people who are not in our state. So there is a lot of noise from one end.
Yes, sir. If that is noise, if that is not related to network, then we must make all the
Yes, sir.
all the audience on mute.
Yes, sir. Even if from the initial stage, if we start communicating with others, then we can improve our language, and we can learn so many books, and that way also we can improve our skills. Most of the people thinking that English is a different skill, but it is just a language. So first we need to speak with others, then only we can improve our skills, and it will improve our career growth as well. And
Amazing,
we
sir.
will be,
Amazing. Nice speech, sir. Nice speech.
yes,
I
sir.
think
Thank you.
definitely you have crossed 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Sir
Thank you.
Venugopal, sir, may I request you to keep everyone on mute, please? I think we have some kind of noise. Yeah, exactly. Pramila Devi Garu is requesting. Okay, nice speech, Naresh Garu. Uh, you know, great. We are back. I think all everything is set up nice. I think now. So my audio is back. I think, and my video is also back. I think. So no voice. I think that is not correct. I think you are able to hear my voice. Naresh Garu, could you please show me thumbs up if you are able to hear the voice? Very good. Naresh Garu, your speech is nice. Only thing is you can improve your fluency. So other than that, I think your speech is very nice. Your points are very meaningful. Okay, so on a scale of 7, I am giving you 5. You know, right? You know. Okay, then I'm trying to thank you very much, and I'm also trying to put my hand down because some time ago I have put my hand up. So now, okay, V Manohar Garu is raising his hand, but Manohar Garu, right now we are not going to open. Okay, I understand. Maybe V Manohar Garu wants to speak for 1 minute, I think. So that should be the reason why he has raised his hand. So why not we give chance to Manohar Garu? If all are making no noise, and if all the participants are on the what we say you know uh, mute when we are not talking, when you are not talking, if you are on the mute, then we can have the call very peacefully. We can go according to plan. But whenever there is too much noise, we will be forced to make all the participants on mute. And actually this is one of the technical difficulties in Zoom, I think. to me, because I think Zoom is not very convenient in terms of managing this noise, I think. So we need to find a solution for that. But anyway, I'm happy with the beginning first speech by Naresh Naidu Garu. Okay, and now we have to find a way to give, voice to Manohar Garu. So Manohar Garu, please hang on, please hold on. I'm just trying to give you the, you know, chance to talk. Okay, I'm just checking the chat once, and then let me check how many participants are here. Okay, 25 participants are here. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, now, okay, I am the co-host now, so maybe I can give Manohar Garu, you know, the chance to ask to unmute. Okay, Manohar Garu, I am giving you the permission to unmute. So please unmute yourself and also keep your video on. Okay, and then please give your 1 minute speech.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving very good opportunity. I am Manohar, Impact Trainer, Certified Trainer, Nellore. I would like to tell about how to master English. The best way to master English is to practice it as much as we can. We don't feel shy or hesitant to speak, even if we are not confident of the language. The more we speak, better fluency we will get. We should try to gain the skill of putting questions. If we are unable to ask questions, the conversation will soon stop. Or if we force it back into the silent spectator. Everyone makes mistakes in the beginning, but unless we speak in English, how will we know where we are making errors? So we should read newspapers, magazines, listen to news, watching English programs, and good lectures. We should make the use of the dictionary for making good English. That means correct English, correct spellings and pronunciation. Thank you very much, sir.
Amazing, Manohar Garu. Thank you very much. I see that maybe you are going off the audio. Similarly, I request you to lower your hand also. Okay, right? So I think you are on mute now, and my request to you now is to lower the hand also. Some time ago you have raised the hand, right? So now you can lower the hand. Of course, you can be on the video. Okay, right? So you have talked about practice, fluency, questions, and errors. What is the part of practice, fluency, and questions and errors in English improvement? So you have spoken well. You have spoken very steady and slow and steady, very slow and steady. I'm not saying that your fluency is bad. I'm only saying that your English is very slow and steady, and that is good. So maybe I give you 5.5 to 6. That means 5.75 by 7. Okay, some time ago, Naresh Naidu Gar also has spoken very well. However, his rate of speech, that means the speed at which he was talking, was, was not, was an improvement area for him. So he talked about spoken English and written English, how the spoken English and written English are connected. Okay, now, so thank you so much, Manohar Garu. Thank you so much, Naresh Naidu Garu. It's a very good beginning.
Thank
So
you, sir.
now,
Thank you, sir.
welcome. So now, if the next person is ready, you can just raise your hand if you know how to raise your hand. Otherwise, I'll just pick a participant from our Zoom list here. Okay, in my list, Ravi Garu, I'm not going to take you now because anyway you have been very active. And Wajida Garu, I know she has been active in terms of assignments, and I know her voice. I know how she does the speech. Okay, Abdul Hamid Garu, I think he also I know. Okay, anyway, let's go with Wajida Garu for now. She will be the first female participant in this call. So please unmute Wajida Garu. Okay, and also please open the video and try to give your 1 minute speech.
Oh, okay, good evening, sir. Happy evening
Yes,
to
madam.
all.
The camera, if possible, please make it, horizontal or, landscape mode.
In landscape only, I get, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry, madam. If that is the case, then please go on.
Can I start, sir?
You can start. Thank you.
Happy evening to all Impact Communicative English April 2021 batch members. My name is Miss Wajida Tabassum. Today I am going to speak about how am I going to use my English language for my professional growth. English is the fastest growing language in Indian history. Today, almost 1.75 billion people around the world speak the language. That's almost 25% of the world's population. English is not just used in everyday situations, but it also used in business and other professional settings all over the world. Mm. Learning English is not just learning English is not just a fun and important thing to do. It is an important career move. If you are learning English for the purpose of advancing your career, uh, you you uh, you're probably taking professional English courses, classes, or training programs. Getting professional help is an important step towards improving your English and learning specific to and learning language specific to the work settings. There are a number of things you can do in your daily life to make professional English a part of your routine. The more you practice, the better you will get and the more chances you will have. Reasons for learning professional English. Reasons for learning professional language. There are many reasons for learning professional English. Even if you are not looking for an English speaking job right away, you will have you will have more job opportunities. Many mm, many large business companies now require that you speak English. But especially if they deal with international customers or partners. Knowing English will open the doors for you to better career and make you stand out as an applicant. Learning professional is English is a great way to master of English for advanced learners. You will able to communicate better no matter where you are in the world. So many people might know a little bit of English. They can use the language to communicate. You will have an easier time getting promotions. Even if you start at the bottom of the company, uh, where knowing English is not that important. If you will have an easier uh, if you will have an easier time getting promotion if you know English. Many managers, executives, important company members must know English. You will have the chance to move abroad. Uh, mm, if you have been hoping some place where that speak English, uh, getting job there will be
Wajida
important.
Tabassum Garu, thank
Mm,
you so much. I'm not sure how much speech is left for you. Maybe you are trying to give all the 7 minute speech now itself, I think. Are you trying to give all the 7 minute speech now itself? Is
no,
it so?
sir.
Are you trying for 1 minute speech or are you trying for 7 minute speech?
Mm, no, 1 minute speech on.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. So you are proving that you can very easily give the 7 minute speech in the next 2 days. Okay, so once again, my expectation from all the participants is a video 7-minute speech, to be published on our Telegram group, Impact English Telegram group. So that is my expectation for the, April 23rd, International English Day, 7 minutes speech assignment. Of course, it should be a video assignment. Okay, and you also need to take care of your appearance, your body language. You need to work on that a bit. And if you need any suggestions, if you need any clarification, you can ask me or you can ask Venugopal sir. Okay, right? So now, thank you very much, Wajida Tabassum garu. You are speaking well. See, I have given you 4.75 by 7 out of 7. I have given you 4.75 points. The reason is you're speaking well. You are going in a monotone. Mono means one. Tone means same style, like that. Slow. You're going like that. But what you need to practice is like and the data is also good. You're giving good data. That is your content is good. I mean, okay, that is all okay. But improvement areas, you need to be a bit more energetic. See, right now, imagine I'm talking without energy. For example, if I talk like Vajida Tabassum garu, you have spoken well, and you need to improve in these areas. Your improvement areas are, so if I talk like this, it is different, right? So you need to talk more lively. You need to talk like with a bit of more energy, more lively. And you also need to sound intonation, right? You need to sound like, see, I'm saying you need to sound like, so stressing some words based on the meaning, saying some words a bit faster, saying some words a bit slower. That is how we make the speech interesting. And that is, see, I'm saying interesting, my body language, my eyes expressions. Okay, right? That is how we make the speech more meaningful and useful to others. So these are the areas you need to focus on. When I say you, I mean everyone. See, if this point may be applicable not only to Vajida Tabassum garu, but also to many of our participants here. So I'm giving feedback not just for the performed candidate or the person who has performed just now. I'm giving the feedback for everyone actually. So Vajida Tabassum garu, thank you so much for taking this opportunity. Now you can switch your audio off, but video you can keep it on. And of course, you can lower your hand also. And now I'm going off the video for a moment quickly so that I can pick up the next participant. So the next participant, I would not give this much time. You please try to, complete it in 1 minute. Okay, right? Let me check all the names once because there may be some people hiding from speeches actually. Let me check if there are any new names. Okay, right? Welcome, sir, Sunil Kumar Gajula garu. Maybe if you're watching it, you're welcome. And just now I have spoken about intonation. Sunil Kumar Gajula garu also, applies a great deal of intonation, ups and downs in his voice. Okay, right? So I'm just checking for new names. I want new people to speak first. Okay, right? So I see most names, I see familiar names. Okay, right? And right now we have 29 members, So maybe more people will join. I'm not sure. Already it is 5:27, so I don't think more people will join. So, okay, let's give, because I don't see any brand new names, let's give priority to the people who have raised their hands already. So may I request Abdul Hamid Garu to unmute himself and also to keep the video is already on. Very good. Okay, right? So yes, sir, you're on.
Sir, thank you, sir. I am audible, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thanks. Happy evening to all Impact Communicative April 2021 batch members. My name is Mr. Abdul Hamid Sheikh. I am from Sindhanur, Karnataka. My profession is Ayurvedic practice. I like English very much. I can talk little bit right now. I am not able to practice much due to my busy schedule. Radhakrishna sir is teaching very nicely. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you, everyone. Give me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
That's it?
Yes,
All
sir.
right, nice. Very good, very good.
Thanks.
So Hamid Garu, thank you very much for giving a clear, your voice is very clear and your rate of speech, that means the speed at which you talk is also good. And every word you are pronouncing very clearly, and that is helping the listener to understand what you're saying. So on that note, I would give you 6/7 on a scale of 7. Okay, it's not because you praised me or thanked me. Based on your slow and steady and clear speech, especially the words, every word you are saying very clearly, every word you are pronouncing very clearly. So based on that, I am giving you 6/7. On a scale of 7, I am giving you 6 points. And maybe I need to make it 5.75 because I'm not sure if you have spoken for 1 minute or not. So I can't give you the best score. So 5.75 is the maximum score so far. So I'm giving you 5.75. The reason is I thought of giving 6 points to you. But the thing is, I don't think you have spoken for 1 minute, I think. So for that, I'll make it 5.75. And one of the mistakes, a small mistake committed by Naresh Naidu Garu, I missed it announcing openly so that everyone can learn from that mistake. So we need to say one of the impactians, one of the pens, one of the chairs, one of the shirts, one of the calls, one of the speeches. So when we say one, yesterday also I think we covered this point, so we need to say one of the plural. So one of the fans, one of the tables, like that we need to say. So Abdul Hamid Garu, thank you so much. I hope you are in mute now. And
Thank you,
video
sir.
you can keep. Welcome,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Video you can keep it on, and hand also you can just what we say, you can lower it. Okay, and then next participant coming up now is okay. Okay, we have all female team ready now. Okay, so let's go in alphabetical order. Okay, so the first name is Bhargavi Garu. Please unmute yourself, and you can start.
Thank you, sir. Happy evening to all Impactians and April Communicative English April 2021 batch members. I am Bhargavi from Guntur. I am 18th batch Impact trainer. When before I married, I am in only intermediate student, but now I am MSc Yoga. Because of I learn English, how I am improve my spoken skills in my side. Spoken is some difficulty because fear of tenses and pronunciation. But Radhakrishna sir, how to improve my skills? Please suggest me. And what I learn this class, Radhakrishna sir is first day how to talk alphabets, phonetic sounds. Telugu language is our mouth is horizontal and English language is straight. So that is practice in my side. Radhakrishna sir efforts and time and knowledge sharing is very much impressible. She is excellent. He is excellent speaker and easy explanation and easy understanding. So now I am confident. I spoke English fluently. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome, madam. Thank you for using the opportunity. This is what you need to keep doing repeatedly. Whenever you get an opportunity, you need to take it and you need to use it. So that will make you improve every day. So take chances every day, then automatically your improvement also will happen every day. And of course, this suggestion is not only for Bhargavi Garu, but for everyone here. And there is a small common mistake I have found out from Bhargavi Garu's speech. Overall, your speech is okay. Some improvement is there and you can have a lot of improvement in the future. But now, please don't say, I am MSc Yoga. You can say like, I have MSc Yoga, or my graduation or my post-graduation is MSc Yoga. So this is how you need to say, because obviously you are not MSc Yoga. So you have
Yes,
MSc
sir.
Yoga,
Yes.
or your post-graduation is MSc Yoga. So
First
small mistakes. Yeah.
First my
Small
mindset
mistakes.
is I am not able to speak English. So that is continue.
Yeah, actually, actually this is common for not only English, Bhargavi Garu, this is common for anything. Unless we start to do something, we feel like we can't do it. Once we start it, step by step, we can improve in that. So it's the same concept for anything. So
Okay, sir. Thank
good
you. Thank you very much.
Bhargavi Garu. So I'm just, you're welcome, madam. Yes, I can give what is half of 7? Half of 7 is 3.5. So 4.5. Yes, your score is 4.5 by 7 on a scale of, yeah, 4.5. Perfect. Yes. On a scale of 7, your score is 4.5. Okay. See, I'm giving score also because, you need to understand, I think you know the reason why I'm giving the score. You need to understand what is your current status. Based
Yes,
on
sir.
that, you need to go for the next status. So thank you
I
very much,
don't feel
Bhargavi.
that lower ranking, sir. I don't feel, but
Great.
my
Thanks very
stage
much.
is still. I know.
Very good, very good. Keep practicing, keep improving. That is for everyone. So now, Bhargavi Garu, you please go on mute, and of course, video you can keep on, and also hand if it is still on, you can lower it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just checking in and selecting the next person. Okay, right. Just for a change, let's take Tirumalesh Garu. Okay, so Tirumalesh Garu, please unmute yourself and get into your 1-minute speech.
Audible, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir. Hi, you're audible. Please start.
Happy evening, sir. All my Impact family members. Uh, my name is Tirumalesh, sir, from Siddipet. I'm working as a second grade teacher in MPPSC Forum. I thanks to Radhakrishna sir and Venugopal sir. Very much thanks to Kampa Nageshwara sir give this a good opportunity. I fear to speak in English so many, sir. But in my teaching field, I teach to my children with some sentence, but not plainly. But I have necessary to English speaking. Thanks to this opportunity, sir.
Thanks for using the opportunity, sir. Are you going to continue for some more time, or is that's it now? Is it? That's all now.
No, sir. Thank you.
Okay, welcome, welcome. No problem. You have taken your first step, I think. So you have started using the opportunities, and you have started to come out of your fear or shell, right? But that's very good. And because you have said that you have children who talk in English, I request you to practice English with your children so that you can become like a very good team of practicing English. Okay, right? And also, whatever the chances you have, whatever the opportunities you have like this, you please use it. And also, if there is anyone who in this stream or anywhere who is very good at English or who is better than you at English, I request you to, daily spend every day, you please talk in English at least for a few minutes. Okay, maybe you can target for 7 minutes. If 7 minutes is not possible, then maybe at least you can talk for a few minutes with a person who is equal to you or who is better than you at English. Okay, like this, you need to identify, you need to create certain ideas to work and improve your English language. Okay, right. So to you also, maybe I think I can give 4.5 by 7 score, but don't worry, you just need to, keep working and improving. Okay, right. So please go on mute and go on mute and please be open on the video and lower your hand if you need to. And then next person, I think it would be a female trainee here, right? I think. Okay, so let me check. Okay, now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. K for Kalpana Garu. Okay, so please unmute yourself and please give the 1-minute speech. Okay.
Happy evening to all Impact Communicative English family members. My name is Kalpana. I am a pharmacist and teacher. I will tell some sentences or some points about Sri Rama Navami. Today we have celebrated the festival Sri Rama Navami. Sri Rama Navami is celebrated as the birthday of Lord Rama. Lord Rama is the 7th avatar of Lord Vishnu. Lord Sri Rama was a great leader. We will learn so many things from his life history. Lord Sri Rama is a symbol of commitment and truthfulness. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome, Kalpana Garu. Thank you for using the opportunity. You need to practice more and more, okay, right? Because there is something called stammering or, stammering means, for example, waiting for words or searching for words in the mind. So, see, it is not that you are saying this speech at this moment. It is not that you are saying this speech impromptu, means, on the feet. So, on the feet means thinking at that point of time and saying at that point of time spontaneously. So you're not giving this speech spontaneously, but you are giving this speech after preparation. So that means your preparation needs to be more. You need to be ready. There should be less stammering or no stammering. And also you can always focus on saying practically. Don't worry. See, when we give content to the listener, we need to focus on practical information, useful information. There is no need to worry too much about just information or just numbers. For example, let us say I'm talking about Microsoft Excel. Then I need not talk about how many 10,258 rows would be there, 20,258 columns would be there. Maybe that's a good information. Maybe I need to know that to understand how Excel is designed and so that. But anyway, more than that, I need to understand and I need to explain how exactly Microsoft Excel can be used to maintain numbers, to calculate numbers, sums, additions, subtractions, and formulas. How can I use that? So practically, the listener, what is the biggest use to the listener? Yes, you are talking about Rama or Ramayana, I think. Then how is it useful to the listener? What benefit, what value can it be, can be given with the help of that content to the listener? So that we need to focus. And once again, this is the feedback not only for Kalpana Garu, but for everyone. I am saying this. Okay, Kalpana Garu. So I need to give points to you also. Okay, so maybe I gave you 5 by 7. Okay, so 7 on the scale of 7, 5 points. Okay, right. And keep practicing, keep improving. Okay, right. Main improvement area is that stammering. Okay, that way, searching for words, that one. So you need to practice more. Okay, right. So don't
Okay,
get
sir.
disappointed.
Thank you.
Right now,
Thank you, sir.
welcome, madam. Keep practicing. Okay, then now let's take the next one. Okay, right. Okay, MNOPQR. So Pramila Devi Garu, please unmute yourself. And you have approximately 1 minute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Happy evening, madam.
Happy evening, friends. Happy evening, everyone. I'm very much thankful to the Impact Foundation and Impact family members now who are our trainer, English trainer, Radhakrishna sir and Venugopal sir. I'm very much thankful to train us as an English fluent. So what we have to lack of English. Everyone nowadays we are lose the opportunities because of the only lack of the English. So myself, I'm Pramila Devi from Hyderabad. I'm worked as a teacher. Previously, I lost so many great opportunities only because of the lack of English communication. So everyone must like their mother tongue, but only the English is the international language. Wherever we go, whenever we go, so we can speak English fluently. We can manage the situation anywhere. We can manage the situations and any place. So English is the one of the most important language for our life. So whatever we are doing, wherever we are going, and job wise, otherwise, everyone, not only the students, not only the work office purpose, everyone. Suppose we are going to a hospital and a government offices, we need to speak the. Sometimes we have to we communicate others to English. So we need to improve our English. So it is very much useful to our growth and our personality improvement. So thank you very much, sir.
Amazing. Thank you very much, madam. You are talking to, you are trying to achieve good fluency. That is very good. However, your performance is slightly affected because you're not that relaxed. Okay, and because you're not that peaceful. So what you need to do is don't get tense. Even if you make a few mistakes, it's okay, no problem. Unknowingly, I too might be making some mistakes. That's okay, right? If, for example, when I'm talking, if someone tells me that you have made this grammar mistake or you have made this pronunciation mistake to me, then I would say might be yes, out of the flow or out of my, eagerness to communicate to you or out of my eagerness to highlight on a particular point, or in my fluency or in my flow, yes, I might have made that mistake. So like that, committing mistakes is okay, but that should not make us tense or that should not make us, anxious. So don't be anxious, don't be tense. Take it easy. Okay, before you start the speech, you can even take a deep breath. Okay, you just relax yourself, and of course, if you're relaxed, automatically, fluency is there for you. You're talking a bit fast, so that means automatically some fluency will be there for you. And if you are relaxed and if you are peaceful and if you enjoy what you're talking, okay, if it is useful what you're talking, if it is useful to you and if it is useful to the audience, then you automatically enjoy that. Okay, see, right now I'm enjoying what I'm talking. Yes or no? So like that, if you practice, then your English can go to next level. You can enjoy your English, others can enjoy your English. Okay, right? So I think you get 5.5 to 6. That means average is 5.75. So on a scale of 7, I'm giving you 5.75 the score. So please keep practicing, please keep improving. Okay, right?
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Mostly I have doubts on a grammatical part, so because of that, I can't manage.
I hope
Thank you, sir.
Great. I hope you, yeah, most people feel that they are not very, in fact, I have found a few mistakes also in your speech. Anyway, see, one of the most important languages, I think you said one of the most important language, but it's not one of the most important language. It is one of the most important languages. So similarly, one more small mistake you have done, I missed to make a note of it, but that's okay. See, that is what I'm saying. Sometimes the mistakes might happen, a few mistakes, that's okay. But more than that, how effectively we are communicating and how, well we are pacing our speech and how the audience is able to, hear and understand what we are saying. How well are they able to connect to the topic, to the point. So these are more important than, a few mistakes. It's okay, but anyway, whenever possible, I would be giving all the common mistakes so that we minimize the number of common mistakes. So thank you so much, Pramila Garu, for taking this
Thank you, sir.
opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
You can go on mute, but still video you can put on. My video I am putting off so that I'm going off so that I can just unmute the next participant. Okay, that would be, Pramila Garu, you can also lower your hand, right? Radhika Garu, could you please unmute yourself? Pramila Garu, you can lower your hand, I think.
Hello everyone, this is Mandala Radhika. Happy evening to Mr. Radhakrishna Garu, Mr. Venugopal Garu, and Impact Communicative English April 2021 batch members, and happy Sri Ramanavami to all. On this occasion, in my 1-minute speech, I would like to convey special thanks to Mr. Gampa Nageshwar Sir Garu. What a great person he is. He created a huge platform like Impact Foundation. It is making the people very skillful. Thank you so much, sir. And coming to the communicative English, Mr. Radhakrishna sir, very cooperating us a lot. And he is very dedicating person. He is not only teaching communicative English, but also providing many sources of communicative English. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I convey my thanks to Venugopal sir. He supports every day, and he shows that he is doing his work perfectly. I understand that, and I'm very happy to say I am one of the members of Impact Foundation, Impact family, and thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, one and all.
Okay, thank you for using the opportunity, Radhika Garu. Okay, right. So I feel like I should give you 6.7 by 7, right? So on a scale of 7, I'm giving you 6.7 is the score. Okay, of course, you
Thank
two
you,
made
sir.
a few mistakes. Welcome. You two made a few mistakes, 2 or 3 mistakes, and one of
Yes,
them I think I have written here. So he is cooperating with us. You can use present continuous tense, and after that you use it simple present tense. That is okay. He shows. He supports. So that is
Mm.
simple present tense. You can use no problem. But in this sentence, you made some small mistakes. Maybe collecting the thoughts and framing the sentences, small mistakes, like I said some time ago, that happen. But overall your speech is very composed, very balanced, and you are smiling, and because you are smiling, your speech was also like very happy speech. Okay, so this is how it is. Some time ago I talked about enjoying talking in English, or enjoying whatever we do. So whatever work we do, we need to enjoy it. So when can we enjoy what the work we do is based on how much we know about it, based on how much we are prepared for that, and based on our clarity on that. Clarity means being clear. So most of these qualities were displayed, were performed by Radhika Garu. So I think so far she has got the best score out of 7, 6.7. That is the highest score so far. And Radhika Garu, you may go mute now. And of course, video, it's you can keep it on, right? And yes, Uday Kumar Garu has the hand raised right now. He is the only person whose hand is raised right now. So unmute, please, and please give 1 minute speech.
Thank you, sir, for unmuting me. Happy evening to Radhakrishna, sir, and happy evening to all Impact April 2021 English Communicative batch members. Myself, I am Uday Kumar. I am working as lecturer in Diploma College. Today, I was asked to speak about 1 minute on some speech. So I just want to speak about why I joined in this course, and also that was the topic I was to speak on 23rd. So the reason why I joined in this course is I just want to polish my English, my communicative English, and I just want to fine tune my English because I speak, but still I have some difficulty while selecting right suitable words. So I just want to overcome that. For the reason, I just joined this. And also when speaking on stages, I need to overcome stage fear also. So to get the benefit out of all these problems, I just joined this. And also when we speak a good English, automatically that improves our confidence. So when we are confident, so definitely, so we can speak good English. That's what I feel. So still, I'm trying to get that. So that's all, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for using the opportunity in a very useful manner. Yes, Uday Kumar Garu, I understood what you said, and I think your speech is very attractive and very understandable, comprehensible to most of our participants. And now you have mentioned mainly 2 things here. Number 1 is vocabulary, your ability to use suitable words at suitable situations or correct situations. So based on the situation, you wanted to use the words, and that is the reason why I see many times, I'm sure you might have observed, I say the same sentence in 2-3 different ways. Okay, right? Please, whenever I talk, please observe me carefully, or you can just replay my sessions. You can easily understand that whatever I say, most probably I would be repeating in 2-3 different ways. Okay, and when I say a word, for example, any useful word, I try to say different words that give the same meaning. And all these things I'm doing for participants like you, so that you know different types of sentences, and so that you know different types of words. Okay, right? So that is one of the things I'm doing for this area of vocabulary, or how to choose a suitable word, or a very good word for that situation. Okay, right? And second thing you mentioned was related to stage fear. So stage fear, I think it is covered in EPS, coaching and other train the trainer coaching, right? So have you taken any training in behalf of EPS? I mean, in terms of
Uh,
EPS, effective public speaking.
Yes, sir. I took that course. But the thing I mentioned in my speech is, so while speaking English on the stage, sir, in Telugu I can speak fluently, but while speaking English, so I find little tense. After that, I
Yeah.
never found an opportunity to speak because after this COVID pandemic, I never got a chance to speak on the stage. But I feel confident by now. Still, I need to work on that. I feel like, so somehow
Okay, so
there is a lot of difference is there.
oh, great, great. That's good to know. And for now, you can feel like the camera is the stage. You can look
Yes.
at the camera, and looking at the camera itself should be like being on the stage for now. Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
So that all the best. Keep working.
Thank you,
Keep
sir. Thank you, sir.
improving. So you may go on. You're welcome. You may go on mute, but be on video and also be on the landscape or horizontal mode. And there is one chat here. I'm checking the chat, and after the chat, I can check the next participant. Okay, right. Okay. All right. Tomorrow. Okay, Hari Krishna Garu, you can give your speech tomorrow, no problem. Okay, maybe
Sir,
you are concerned
sir,
about time, I think. Right now, the time
sir,
is
excuse me, sir.
5:55 p.m. IST. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Radhakrishna, sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
You haven't rated me yet.
Sorry?
You haven't rated my speech, sir.
Oh, great. Okay. Oh, great. Actually, you have mentioned a very good point. Actually, you have given me two things to discuss. Okay. Point number one is, of course, I have not rated you. And in fact, I have not. Okay, Uday Kumar Garu, right? Okay,
Yes,
Uday
sir.
Kumar Garu, I have rated you. But I have not. It is. Okay, some noise is there. Okay, I have rated your performance, your speech, and it is 6.7 by 7. 6.7 by 7. Okay, do you understand that? If you understand, please show me your thumbs up. Okay, great. Okay, and now you please go on mute, sir. We are getting some kind of noise. I think.
Yes.
Right. All right. Thank you so much. And there is one more thing that I wanted to say as part of feedback to Uday Kumar Garu, that he has used a sentence like, you have not given me feedback. So that means he has used a negative sentence. So according to communication skills, it is better to use a positive sentence than a negative sentence. Okay, right? That means instead of saying you have not given me my rating, it's better to say, please give my rating. Simple. So the point here is, it's better to talk positively always. Okay, so of course, not only just English, but when we talk about communication skills, when we have, okay, great, Uday Kumar Garu, thank you. So when we have a possibility, when we have a chance of talking positively, we need to talk positively. If there is no other option, then we need to use a negative sentence. In the sense, the words like no, not, we need to use only when there is no other option. So when it is not avoidable to use the words no or not, then we have to use those words to frame a negative sentence. Otherwise, we need to try and frame positive sentences to give a positive effect on the other person and to project ourselves positive. Okay, right? Okay. Wow. Okay, Pramila Garu is very happy and she is appreciating everyone. And now, the Chinni Swapna Garu, you please start your speech.
Good evening, all Impact members. My name is Swapna. I am a homemaker. I am from Hospet, Vijayanagara district, Karnataka. Before joining this class, I have a little bit of fear in my mind. But after joining, by your simple techniques made me able to speak like this. I think I am speaking good. Few days back, my daughter came back from hostel. She observed my WhatsApp status. She said me that, "Mummy, you are improving your texting." Then I feel very proud and happy, because when you say someone you are good in something, we will happy. And today I also some chat with her, and I use talk with my son and husband also. They help me while I did mistakes. and I also start to read newspaper. Thank you giving me this opportunity. Thank you a lot, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for sharing such wonderful news. Okay. And your English is also good, actually, right? So your clarity of speech is very good. That means the level of being clear in your word, your speech, your communication. And of course, it is nice to hear that you have overcome your fear to most extent. And also, it is very good to know that you have been appreciated by none other than your daughter. So, see, appreciated by someone is different, and being appreciated by your daughter is a different thing, right? So thank you very much. A nice speech again. Okay, so this speech also I can give, I think, 6.7, because especially because you have added your personal experience in this speech, the speech became very interesting and valuable. So hence you got 6.7 by 7, that is the score. Okay, right now we don't have anyone with a raised hand. So Swapna Garu, you
Thank
can
you, sir.
lower your hand. You're welcome, madam. Thank you for using this opportunity,
Okay,
and
sir.
keep practicing. You may practice with your daughter also, right? We both you can develop, I mean, in sense, improve in
Yes,
your
sir.
language and communication skills. And of course, you may go on mute. Please keep the video on. And right now, we don't have any more people, on hands raised status. So that is good in one way. And right now the time is exactly 6 p.m. So that is also good in one way. Okay, right. So 2 chats that are not checked by me. I'm just checking. Okay, I have seen these 2 chats some time ago. Okay, right. Ramila Garu is also very happy about all of you. Okay, and your performance or your speech this evening. So that's it. I think you know that I strongly believe in sticking to time. I could not attend or join the call on time 5 p.m. because maybe some of you might be knowing that there was an ideation call conducted by Gampa sir 3:45 to 5 p.m. Of course, it ended by maybe 5:03 p.m. or 5:05 p.m. like that. So it was an ideation call, how to make impact better and how to make impact serve people better and how to improve our systems, how to be better impactians. So thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone. So I hope you have a peaceful evening of this Sri Ramanavami today. Okay, so I also once again I wish a good Sri Ramanavami to everyone, each of you, and also to Venugopal sir. Venugopal sir was also with me in the call with Gampa sir also, that ideation call. So thank you so much for making your time on a festival day, on a holiday, and thank you for sharing such wonderful performances and wonderful experiences. So all the best for you for tomorrow's class. Tomorrow also, I think tomorrow's agenda, I will help you in the sense, tomorrow the plan is that I will help the participants who need some help in terms of improving their content. So if you're not clear about your content, or if you have any issues in terms of making your 7-minute speech, so please ask me tomorrow 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. I will help you on the call itself. Right? So tomorrow there will be a group discussion. Actually, tomorrow there will be a group discussion about our 7 minutes topic, that is how to use English for professional advancement. So all of you can share your ideas, and I too will share my ideas. Once again, I'll tell you how to build a 7-minute speech, like that. Then it will be more like a group discussion or a brainstorming session. So what is the meaning of a group discussion? What is the meaning of a brainstorming? I'll explain tomorrow. So I say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. And of course, if Venugopal sir want to say anything, of course, you are welcome. If nothing is there, then we can just go ahead and close this call. So I say Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram, Jai Sri Ram also. So,
yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the participants who are being here and participated well. And I wish you all the best for your future endurance also. I wish you happy Sri Ramanavami. Who are not taking the chance, who are not came forward to perform in front of people, this is the opportunity. You take it and take it as a video. You can post it in the Telegram group also. So by the time Radhakrishna sir will see the video and he will evaluate how you are there. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, the minutes of the point you just please share me after this class when you have a time.
Sir, before night I'll share, sir. Night, is that okay? Yeah,
okay.
Before night, before I go to sleep.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I'm going to all unmute you people. Yeah. Please say, sir. Bharat, Radha, sir, please.
जय भारत वंदे मातरम।
जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।
जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।
जय
जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे
मातरम।
जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।
जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।